Hi guys, welcome to another episode of GN Tech Tronics. I am currently somewhere in Montego Bay working slash relaxing, but mostly working. And today I'm going to do the unboxing for Bam! The brand new 8th generation iPad. Can you see that? 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 So this just launched, what month are we in? We're in November. This just launched in October. This just launched last month. No, September. I'm wrong. We also have some goodies to go alongside. So we have, what is it? We have the iPad 7th gen combo detachable keyboard case with trackpad and smart connector. It is compatible with the 8th gen, so we picked that up. And we have just a regular iPad smart cover case, which really, you can, yeah, whatever. All right, so this is what I'm really excited about. Let's get it opened. Typical Apple type of boxing, just nice and simple. Nothing to really write home about. But despite it being so nice and simple, I actually really appreciate the simplicity of their boxing. Let's see what it says. So this is the 128GB edition. It includes the iPad, the USB-C to Lightning cable, and a USB-C power adapter. Battery may eventually need a replacement. Eventually. Alright. Apple logos. Alright, let's get this open. Whew, I'm excited. Alright. So this is your iPad. So this actually has an engraving on the back of it, because when you order directly from Apple, you have the opportunity to get an engraving on the back. So this is it. Let's get this off. Whew. Like, it's so fresh, like I really don't want to take the wrapper off, but oh jeez. Whoosh. Can you tell I'm low-key excited? Alright. Whew. Alright, I'm gonna put this to the side for a second. We've got your charging brick. USB 3 or USB Type-C. Or is it Thunderbolt 3? They have all these different names for it. USB 3, Thunderbolt 3, Type-C, all that jazz. This is a 20-watt charging brick. And we've got the thing here. So it's Type-C to Lightning, which would be interesting. I actually thought they would have made it Type-C to Type-C, so that it would be configurable with a lot of their newer devices right now. But it's actually USB to Lightning. So that's that. And that's pretty much it. Nothing else comes in the box. Box is empty. We also got this Logitech, like I said, combo touch keyboard with trackpad and smart connector. And this is actually not bad either in terms of packaging. It's pretty nice. On the back, it shows you a few of the features and stuff like that. I do like the packaging. And it pulls out like that, like a little drawer. There we go. And I feel like every iPad owner should have something like this, just for the sake of, that usability. All right, so this is pretty much the base of the camera touch thing. It's actually very ergonomic, and it actually mimics sort of like what would be on a MacBook, which is expected. So I mean, if you're a MacBook user, whether Air or Pro, you'll be very familiar with the keyboard setup, which is very good. You do get a little, why is this super glued in here? What the hell? Do you see that? Last but not least, certainly not least, is the smart cover, which works with anything from the 7th gen straight up to the 8th gen, because they're pretty much the same size. It's literally just a cover. That's literally it. But it's one of those where you can, you do that thing where you fold it up and you get like that, and it has like the gradient, so you can use it on the gradient or stuff like that. That's what it is. It has a little magnetic strip thing going there. You see that? Right, so that is pretty much it. So I'm actually gonna obviously enjoy myself with this before I do the review video. But tell me what you think about the new iPads. Tell me what you thought about the old iPads. Tell me what stuff you'd like me to check out with the iPad feature wise. And as usual, like, subscribe, share. And I will see you on the next episode. Peace!